This is a test if dogs hate cameras. Maybe this dog doesn't. It actually is starting to wag its tail. Yep, this dog likes cameras. Next dog. Okay, I gotta stop saying that. Yeah. Yep, that dog hates cameras. Next dog. Where's Dakota? Okay, I gotta stop making annoying sounds before you turn off this video. That's too bright up here. Well, I guess Dakota, somewhere around the house. One dog hates cameras, one dog doesn't. But first, no, he just looked at it. He wants to play with the camera. Okay, bye.